Physics. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Deep Learning on Traffic Prediction Methods, Analysis and Future Directions. So now coming to the introduction part, deep learning has emerged as a revolutionary paradigm in the realm of traffic prediction, transforming conventional approaches by adaptively extracting intricate patterns and representations from expansive and intricate datasets. Over recent years, the implementation of deep learning techniques has markedly improved the precision and effectiveness of traffic prediction models. A critical advantage lies in the inherent ability of neural networks to autonomously acquire hierarchical features, facilitating the extraction of subtle relationships within traffic data. This capability proves especially vital in the domain of traffic prediction given the intricate interplay among diverse factors, including road conditions, weather and human behavior, all of which contribute to the dynamic nature of traffic flow. So now coming to the objective part for this project is to understand the profound impact these techniques have made in the field. Deep learning has indeed emerged as a transformative force, offering unparalleled capabilities in extracting intricate patterns and representations from intricate traffic datasets. By thoroughly examining existing methods, the objective is to evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of various deep learning architectures such as recurrent neural networks and convolutional neural network in capturing the dynamic characteristics of traffic flow. This examination is geared towards providing insights into the proficiency of these models in managing temporal dependencies and spatiotemporal features, thereby establishing the groundwork for more precise and effective traffic prediction systems. So now coming to the requirements part, here we have two types of requirements, the hardware requirements and the software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system as Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 8 GB of RAM is required, hardest 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirements part, Anaconda 3 is required and Visual Studio Community version is required. So now coming to the Flow project. So here first we have importing the packages. In this module, necessary libraries and packages which are NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation, sklearn to facilitate machine learning, and Matplotlib and C1 for visualization are important. Second, here we have exploring the dataset traffic data. In this phase revolves around the gaining insights into the dataset containing traffic-related information. Exploratory data analysis, that is EDA techniques, are applied to understand the structure and patterns and characteristics of the data. Next, here we have data pre-processing. So in the data processing, the raw data is processed and prepared for analysis by cleaning and transforming and handling missing values. This step ensures that the data set is in a suitable format for model training and evaluation. Next, we have visualization using Seaborn and Matplotlib. So here in this, the data visualization tools like Seaborn and Matplotlib are employed to create graphical representations of the data set. This step aids in better understanding the distribution of the variables and relationships within the data set. The next here we have splitting the data to train and test. The data set is divided into training and testing sets. This is a crucial step to evaluate the model's performance on unseen data and prevent overfitting. Then we have building the model. Various traffic prediction models are constructed ranging from traditional machine learning models like SVM, random forest, decision tree and MLP to deep learning models like GMAN, STGCN, STSGCN, ASTGCN, GraphWaveNet, CNN plus RNN and DCRNN. A voting classifier also implemented combining the strengths of multiple models for enhanced accuracy. So now coming to the training the model. The selected models are trained on the training dataset, learning the patterns and relationships within the traffic data. Then here we have building the model with voting classifier since it gives better accuracy comparing with ML and real models. So in this leveraging the advantages of the voting classifier, this step involves combining the predictions from multiple models to achieve improved accuracy compared to individual machine learning and deep learning models. Then here next we have Flask framework with SQLite for sign-up and sign-in. The Flask web framework is employed for building a web application. SQLite is integrated for user authentication, allowing users to sign up and sign in into the platform. Then we have importing the packages. It is similar to that which I have told you for the NumPy and Pandas for Matplotlib and for the various libraries. Then we have user gives input as feature values. User interact with the application by providing input such as feature values relevant to the traffic prediction task. Then we have the given input is pre-processed for prediction. Input provided by users is pre-processed to align with the format expected by the trained model. This ensures that the model can make accurate predictions based on the user input. Then we have trained model is used for prediction. The pre-processed input is fed into the previously trained model to generate predictions regarding the traffic conditions. And the last one here we have final outcome is displayed through front end. The results of the model predictions are presented to users through the front end of the application, offering valuable insights into the prediction traffic scenarios based on the provided input. So now coming to the execution part of this project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. So here we have a folder which is named as template. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, etc., which represent different pages of the website. Another folder which is named as static. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap files. And the folder .ipynb file, and this is also a .pynb file, which is a Jupyter notebook file which contains a combination of code, tasks, and outputs all in one place. It allows the users to write and execute code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. The next here we have map.py file, which likely contains the information related to front-end logic. It could include code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. Then here we have signup.db. This file appears to be the database file which is used to store the information. Now just click over here and copy the path from here. Open the Anaconda prompt. Type the cd command followed by a space and just paste the path over here, and now hit the enter button. And now type python app.py and now just hit the enter button. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application link locally at the default address and port 5000, and let's configure differently. Here you can see that the link has been posted over here. Just select this link and copy this link and paste it into any of the browser. Here I am using Chrome. And now just hit the enter button. So here you can see that this is the home page for the traffic prediction using ML and DL. Now click on the sign up button. Here you have to enter your username, your name, email ID, your phone number, and your password for doing the registration. I have already done the registration, so I am clicking on sign in button. Now just enter the username and the password over here which you have created while doing the registration, and now click on submit button. Click on OK, and here you are welcome to the dashboard. Here you have to fill all the details over here, like you have to choose the details for the enter the aggregate memory utilization, enter the coded day 5, enter the zone number 4, weather 5, temperature 1, year 5, enter the month 4, enter the day 1, is weekend yes or no, so I said no. And now simply click on submit button. So here you can see the outcome. Depending on the parameters you have provided, it's showing the traffic is moving on based on the information of sensor in particular area or region. So depending upon the parameters you will provide it over there, it will showing the outcome over here. And by clicking on the sign out button, you can simply log out with this. So now coming back to the conclusion part. In summary, the examination of deep learning techniques in traffic prediction has uncovered significant advancements that are reshaping the domain of transportation forecasting. The inherent adaptability and nuanced pattern recognition capabilities embedded in deep learning architectures, including recurrent neural networks and convolutional neural networks, have raised the precision and effectiveness of traffic prediction models. The exploration of current methodologies emphasizes the importance of these breakthroughs, especially in addressing the complex interactions among various factors that influence the dynamics of traffic. So here we have completed with our project. Thank you.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.